Now we learn about ESLint for JavaScript. Just like a spell checker highlights typos in the essay but usability, linting tools like ESLint scan your code for mistakes. They make sure your code follows the rules and catches problems early so you can fix them before they become bigger bugs. Imagine writing a long essay without a spell checker. You did like miss small typos. ESLint does the same code for your code. It scans line by line finds issues like missing semicolon or unused variables or even suggests quick fix to keep your code clean and readable. By enforcing coding rules, linting tools prevent silly mistakes that can cause bigger issues later. They save hours debugging, ensure everyone on your team writes code in the same style, making it easier to read and maintain. Getting started simple install ESLint with npm. Connect it to your editor and watch it work like a spell check in real time. Clean, consistent and bug free code becomes your default.